How to fix Instagram DM request not showing. So hello guys, today I'm going to talk about how to fix Instagram DM request not showing. So to fix your Instagram DM request not showing, one of the quick fixes is check for the hidden folder. Just open your Instagram app, go to your inbox at the bottom of your screen, then tap request, then tap spam to see the hidden message request. Now the next what you can do is update the app. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and then find Instagram. And if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next thing what you can do is log out and log back in. Just open your Instagram app, tap on your profile tab at the bottom right corner of your screen, tap the three-line menu at the top right corner of your screen, then scroll all the way down and then tap log out. Immediately log back in. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.